Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Electrical Concepts. My name is Avigyan Roy. So in this video lecture, we'll discuss DD0 connection and phasor diagram. In my last video lecture, I have discussed YY0 connection and YY6 connection. So today we'll start with DD0 connection. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, this is the circuit diagram of DD0 connection, that is the configuration. So both primary and secondary sides are delta connected, as you can see from this configuration. And 0 means what? There is no phase displacement between the line voltages of secondary side and the primary side. Okay, so here as you can see this is the connection A to A1, then B to B1, then C to C1. Similarly here A to A1, B to B1, C to C1. So they are just symmetrical with each other. As I also said in case of YY0 connection in my previous video lecture, that 0 means there is no phase displacement. That means they are completely symmetrical. So see, they are completely symmetrical. A to A1 is here, similarly small a to small a1 is here. B1, B2 is here, similarly small b1, small b2 is here. So they are just symmetrical in nature. Okay, so that is just the way of representing the DD0 connection. Now let's see from the phasor diagram why is it called 0. That means why is there no phase displacement. So as you can see, this is the phasor diagram of the primary side voltages. See here, as because it is delta connected, that means the line voltage will be same as phase voltage. So VAB is equal to VA2A1. See, VAB is same as VA2A1. Okay, similarly VB2B1 and VC2C1. Okay, so this red marked phasors are showing the secondary side line voltages or the phase voltages, whatever. Okay, and let's say that is step down transformer for example. So obviously the magnitude will be less. Okay, and based upon the dot polarities we can say that the phase voltages of individual windings of primary and secondary side will be in phase. That means VAB, V capital AB and V small ab will be in phase. Okay, based upon the dot polarity we can say that. So now let's move further. We need to prove. Okay, so as you can see, it is clear from this much phasor diagram only that V capital AB and V small ab are in same phase. See, they are in same phase. That means there is no phase displacement. So that is the proof of DD0 connection. Let's move further. DD6 connection. Okay, so that is the configuration. So as I already said in case of YY6 in previous video lecture, 6 means 180 degree opposite. That means they will be opposite to each other, or they will be reversed with each other. They will be reversed with respect to each other. See here, if it is the primary side and if it is the secondary side, they are completely reversed. Like here B1 B2 is here, but here B1 B2 is just here, like completely opposite. Okay, so that is the way of representing DD6. Okay, now see, this is the phasor diagram. So this is the primary side phase voltages or line voltages, and this red marked phasors are secondary side phase voltages or line voltages. Now we need to prove there is 180 degree phase displacement between the line voltages. So VAB is the primary side line voltage. So the corresponding secondary side line voltage will be V small ab. See, V small ab is what? VA1 A2. See here, V small ab means what? This point and this point. So between these 2 points, what is coming? See, this winding is coming, A1 and A2, this winding is coming. That means the voltage across this winding is nothing but VAB. That means VA1 A2 is nothing but VAB. Alright. So we already know VA2A1 is this quantity. So VA1 A2 will be exactly opposite, and that is same as VAB, V small ab. That means we can say V small ab and V capital AB are opposite with each other. That means 180 degree opposite or DD6 connection. Alright. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.